Let's get to our final trader of the day, Jane Gallina, here with some high-flying stocks. I hope you're doing well, Jane.
Hello, Angela. Well, we've got summer wrapping up. We've got some hot air balloons, and looking at the indexes for the S&P 500 and the Q's NASDAQ 100, you can see that there are 5 major stocks that lift up the indexes. We have Apple, Microsoft, Google, Amazon, and Tesla that are 43% of the NASDAQ 100. That's 5 stocks that are weighted at 43%. And with those same 5 stocks, it's 23% on the S&P 500 ETF, the SPY. So looking at the top 2 in particular this week, Apple and Microsoft. When we look at the Apple weekly chart, I'm concentrating on the weekly because it's easier to see that we've had descending volume. If we close above 175, which has been a 6-time resistance for Apple, I think we might be seeing new highs up to 215. However, if we have a weekly close below 168, I would be looking for the Qs and the SPY to be pulling back going into September. When we look at Microsoft has a fairly similar setup. We do have a nice cup with a potential gap to fill on that weekly chart. If we can have a close above 290, 250 for the week, we could be hitting 325 in the upcoming weeks. However, if we do close below 285, same thing on the indexes, especially if the two correlate together. They could have been running out of hot air, volume is descending. It looks like we could be setting up for another downward move going into the beginning of the school year.
Thank you so much, Jane.
Thank you, Angela. It's always a pleasure.
Go to businessfirstam.com for where to see our show on TV.